In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to share OneDrive files with others. So first of all, we need to go to our search bar and search here OneDrive, and then they will show you the OneDrive folder here. We need to open this folder, and then under it we'll see all the files which we currently have on our OneDrive. Now select the file which you want to share. So let's say I want to share this documents folder. So I need to select it, then right click on it. Now go over OneDrive, and here we'll see an option of share. When we click on it, then it will open this new window. Enter the email address whom you want to share this file. So I want to share this file to this email address. I need to select it. In case you want to send this file to multiple email addresses, then you can add another email address here, and then those email addresses will receive the file at once. And you can also add the message here. Now to change the role of this viewer, we can click on this pencil icon, and from here you can assign him a role. In case you want to allow him to edit your file, then for that select the first role, which is edit, so that he can make any changes on your files. If you want him to only view your files, then select the view option, and you can additionally choose sharing settings if you want to. I want him to edit, so I'm just gonna select that option. And now to send this file, we need to click on send, and the file will be sent on your email address. We just have to wait a bit. Alternatively, you can copy this link here and then again click on copy, and whenever you send this link on any messenger app such as WhatsApp or Facebook, and when the person clicks on your link, they will be redirected to the folder which link you have shared them. Like you can see here, I can see all the files which I have added on this file, and I can download them from here too. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.